Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka samla Riya Suting kawai nagi samla kablami ikmat na kajela Megalia bane shimbenta ha ka Jingiakop kabala long hagowa nadu ka khatnyo trik hadu ka arpusau trik unailur ahaja apusan. Kabalawan ra ru ia ka nam Jingiakop ha ka kerdan kaba ningkong kum kamis PNI India araja apusan. Habakren cekila pathai kubor ha ka arhundu trik unailur araja apusan ha Shillong Press Club kasamla Riya kalau ong bakani kerensan kamdei tang ya kiba la bani shimbenta kiba biang ha karenyang renyup bat kamet kaphat kabawandur Henry ka kabala ai men siem bani shimbenta kalong bakani karensan kakentup lang ya baro kata kamut baro kila bani shimbenta la kalong kibala don kun don kti ki transgender kibat bian kiba khamsnga bat kumta terter Shushu kalaong bakani karinsan kam shum lapet khamat bakalawan na kanu kudu kabenta Henry kala ailat pat piang subhaya ka na kalyang uba to bia Suting u loong bakaria Suting kadai tang ka Khunswet bat kum umama usngo sarong yala ka jong ka khun ula benrap da ka boong bakam mentoy lada bon kinong kershan Henry ki bahayang hasem ki klam ai ka jing kershan bat kan pinsep eru ya ka jing trishtom kum taw loong ba na kalyang ka jing kasem Nadu kabasdang ka ay ka jingkershan met pan mensiem ya ka Riya Suting nadu bakla lej bani shimbenta hagate ka rinsan.
Tingka jong tadi kelas no. Di pondok Pageant bahabat area di Suting shopistang ini press conference kalian juli kumkai kasem rokwe ni dapda ke jismu yo ble ba ka ni ba ro mi phiru khamtam kuri shona benta jo phiri badon ha kani press conference na kalian juli kum kayin kasem kum ki parlo ni ai ka jikrei bakarpa ya paro ki bahiyeng bahasem ki kursuting baro nang ta ye ki parlo para jo kat khamtam ye ki parlo na kani gejala juni blaka shanting e na bentai Riya insa ai ni ya ka babnya chapam kani ke jingyo jingi kani ke jingjok ya kani ka benta ka bamanta insa ai mi na kalian juli kum kayin kasem ni bipau jing sung khamtam ni ki media bro ya ka print and electronic media na do si baningkong ki la ay kashan ya ki sen juni hi baro kowe la ay kashan da ka ba ki pelaj ki kubor ki pen itho be mi khmat na kani chela juni panele chimenta ha ka PNI 8000 apusan apusan ka ba lo hagowa ka balasdang na do ka khanyo tarik ka bakut hadu kasi apoi tarik jong taubla ti midon hangni minta Riya Suting ipade nongjok ya kani ka PNI arpo apusan insa IP ya ki jingtep ki baba bnya halo jong kani jingjok kajuni
kuble everybody te nan cover the English so that we can target the entire Northeast because first of all good evening everyone and thank you so much for your love and support since day one. It's a complete honor for me to be representing my state at the national platform, and what is even more wonderful is we got to win the main title, that is the Miss PNI 2025. So the entire Northeast and the Meghalaya ditang mga contestant bani shaji. The done kiwi contestant kiwi state in India bani contest. So it was a 9 days of pageant organized by Malik Isani and we got to compete and it was a very professional training. Niladan ki professionals ba kilawan na ki communication field na ki ethics field Isabella Menden Grand Miss International 2022 ilawan training Hima and then we had a thorough competition from prelims to introduction round and then the finale PCLI ihi hapo YouTube la yakershan laga support jo PCL nalasmu uma and then finally nalayo open bagay ka jingjok ya ka kursuting jogi ya ka family jona and then ya ka stage jogi te na ko ban ai kubli fi baro ko fi la yakershan na ados ginikon and I wish you support me more in days to come. So pinya prakhat bali kanika Miss PNI kalong like it's not conventional. You might have seen some contestants that they don't look conventional. When I say conventional, that means they don't look of a certain height and a certain figure. The main reason why it gives me courage to participate in Miss PNI is because it is an inclusive platform. When I say inclusive, It means it celebrates women in every shape, form, and diversity. So I'm proudly saying that my co-contestant, there was a transgender who was a co-contestant, there was a married woman who was a co-contestant, plus size, short height. Otherwise, a girl of my age who is just 5'2" and 31, I would hardly have any platform to go and compete. And this PNI, India, they did not see any background where I come from. They just purely celebrated me as who I am. And then I was announced the winner on the merit list. So a big thank you to everyone who have been a part of my journey, my friend here, my family, and everyone who have been a part of this journey. My special thank you to my collaborators, Kong Biani, for this beautiful attire, Kong Mary from MJ Boutique, Nanta Kishipun Kinki designers baki ka collaborate banama, Christina Monica from Bangalore, and also Hui from HM Fashion. So thank you so much for all the love and support. My heart is filled with gratitude. And I hope in days to come we see more participants from Meghalaya and also from Northeast. May we see more winners coming forward and winning the main crown and the main sash and bringing pride to our state and to our people. Thank you.
Ngari tu biasa dah Suting, ngari madu jeng Riya. Ti nak kalian jeng ngaru kum ke yang kesam ngapen pau jeng kublai yagi media ki banadu basdang mo shua bin ni bini simenta kilapan pen pau yi sabah mo bakin ke publicity ki baki om baki priu ki itu. Ti dei hadu katu kesengi ru ba ijab ru henriking sange. Kani ke jeng ya rap ke jeng kersian jungki nalenda kapenlong lu yang i kibri berani na Poselong na Northeast bangintip syafang jugi ngintip syafang kani ke competition kumba ila debatai ba kani competition ke campaign lagi bai pat hendrai ni mai kani ke competition kalong ba ki pediang lut ya baro ki long kemi ki samla ki bawan hakadur ke bakum nuru ki pediang lut ki campaign lagi bagi contest ke competition ki bagi jui le simenta tinggi ru kumna kalian kayi yang kesem ngi ai kata kajing kersian met pan mensiam ya i hoi hang nimla pan ya leklang sedu setai namar ngidon lagi kam ndrei wala kata ru lagi jing tuai ngi ken mau ya i akap nakapor sekapor ngi text ngi phone kumnu mentakis ngi kilo kumnu ngi kersian kata karukom bat kajing don bentalang kum kayi yang kesem kanang ai mensiam susu te kawai ke bangakwa ban bang hari kapor kalong ba lakadai hadu ka kamru ka family support hi kadai ka don kamtam hoi langi da bandon ki fan sibun hendrai lada hat family ngimyo ka jing support mo ngi kata ka jing tristom ka jung iru kalong le ai kamtam ku Riya beli Khunswet imdan su ime pa te idon kam yengi ku ki mama ki anak ki para kami ki men ki para ki ban support le mi te kata ken ka ba don kamtam nak bentang hanu ke Jingiakop lakadai hanu nu kalian ru ke family support ke di bodom kamtam tinga ai ke jing kulai ru ipi ki media bapa kulai poi hani berkumju iki bahi yang bahasam ki parlok jing Riya bat katu kat ni ki parlok jongar ke biya dalang hani mo ki bayar support lang bentang jung i tinga ai ke jing kulai be pilai apply support ba kodor ke jung hi ba hanya poi lang hani support nak bentang ke jing le burom ka ba ngi kum kayeng kesam ngilapen kre ke bentang jung i kulai syu
Kong Riya dah keling ke jelang ne dah
All over India. Kidan contestant na po Jammu Kashmir, kidan contestant na po Mumbai, kidan contestant na Bangalore, Kerala, Northeast, Meghalaya. Yeah. So we were all over 20 contestants.